All the way down, down, down. Drop your head and breathe out. Relax your shoulders. There you go.
Love it.
Okay. All right. Good. Okay. I need my hand back. So can you use it? Okay. Very good. All right. Good. Thank you. Yeah, that's going to open up the rib cage and the mid-thoracic area. So that's going to turn on power to the heart and lungs.
Kumusta naman, Tina Moran? Ano yung nasa kamay mo?
So ngayon, I'm having this biozapper therapy. So this is a good way in removing, bacteria po sa katawan natin. Mas ano siya, bawal na
Kasi yan, marami kang bacteria sa katawan.
Sure. Tapos hindi, yung tolerance mo kung paano siya. Yung after ko ma-experience, yun nga, sa kayo iba siya, sabi ko. I was like full smiling. Pero alam mo, meron din akong gusto malaman. Smiling kasi kanina ko pahawak.
Ito yung nagpapasmile pa sa amin lalo.
Nag-smile. So Miss Patricia, tell us about this DocRobs Wellness Supplements.
Yes. Siyempre si Doc Rob, gusto niya talagang ibigay yung talagang magagandang supplement. So pumunta kami sa Japan para hanapin itong aming immune boost na nandito na lahat ng kailangan natin sa ating katawan pang daily needs. And hindi lang sabi ko sa inyo, hindi lang kayo magiging healthy, magiging beautiful ka.
Yeah.
Yes.
Doon tayo sa beauty.
It's beautiful.
Sa totoo lang, pansin ko sa mga Kapampangan, gusto lagi na may beauty.
Yes!
Diba?
Yeah.